This will be a speed test between the Google Pixel 5 versus the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Now the Google Pixel 5 has the Snapdragon 765G with 6 gigs of RAM and always on the latest version of Android 11 versus the iPhone 11 Pro Max with the A13 Bionic chip, 4 gigs of RAM, and on its latest version of iOS 14. Let me know in the comments below which green you like better, the Sword of Sage on the Pixel 5 or this military green on the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Let me know in the comments below. Let's go ahead and turn on both phones at the same time here, see which one has the faster boot up, and let's go. Google Pixel 5 versus iPhone 11 Pro Max speed test. Let's see what happens, right? Meow. Which one will boot up faster? Oh, the Pixel. Oh my goodness, so close. Now on the iPhone, I did have to swipe up, but I don't know. I'm gonna say the boot up times are very similar. Let me know in the comments below which phone you think won. And we are in. All right, man, let's get right down to the business. I'm gonna swipe over here. These are the apps I'm gonna be using for this speed test. I'm gonna go like this on the Pixel 5, no recent items, and I'm gonna do the same thing to the 11 Pro Max. Nothing in the background on this phone. All apps, caches, the browsers have been cleared out. So let's get started by tapping the phone app. iPhone, messages. Ooh, very close. I think that was the Pixel 5 actually. Slow down the video for me and let me know. Camera. I'm gonna go ahead and pick up both phones so you can see the viewfinder a little bit. Tiny bit faster on the iPhone. Let's fire up the clock. A little bit faster on the iPhone. Go ahead and start this up. Leave that running in the background. Calculator. iPhone again. Play Store, App Store. Ooh, very close. You guys are the judges. Maybe the iPhone by a little bit, but not by much. Go ahead and click on these two. And the TikTok, should I install this? I thought this was banned in the United States. So what's going on with TikTok? Let me know in the comments. Amazon. Oh, give that to the 5. Click on the deal of the day. Whoops. Let's touch on the iPhone. We'll click on this one again. A little bit faster on the Pixel. We'll leave it there. eBay. Ooh, give that to the Pixel. I'm gonna click on this item. Leave it there, and then Mario Run, let's go. Oh, Pixel's out in front, I think. What will happen? Oh, and we'll give the win to the Pixel 5. Tap to begin. Oh, iPhone a little bit faster on the second step. Temple Run 2. Spooky Summit, loading on the iPhone first. And we'll give the win to the iPhone, but the Pixel 5 is hanging in there. Remember, Pixel 5 is a 765G Snapdragon, so it's not the 865 Plus. So keep that in mind. And then we do have Subway Surf. Oh, loading on the iPhone first. Tap to play. Angry Birds 2. Love how this is black on the iPhone, that's nice. Starting up and logging in on the iPhone. And the Pixel, will it catch up? Kinda doubt it. Nope. We'll give the win to the 11 Pro Max on this. Get rid of that, and then we do have this one. I think the iPhone's a little bit ahead here. Let's see. Oh, I don't know, the Pixel might catch it. Oh, and the Pixel did catch it. So we'll give the win to the Pixel 5 on this one. Play. We can go ahead and get out of this. And what is going on with the iPhone here? It's taking a while. All right, give this a few more seconds. I don't want to get copyrighted by this song. All right, gotta move on. PUBG, let's go. Ooh, the Pixel 5 is out in front. Oh, the Pixel's ahead a little bit, I think. Will the iPhone catch it? Oh my goodness, if the Pixel wins this, oh, we'll give the one to the 11 Pro Max. But as you can see, the Pixel is hanging in there. The Pixel is putting up a fight. Gotta give it props. I mean, remember, this is a Snapdragon 765G. Twitter, iPhone by a little bit, Instagram. Ooh, draw. Or maybe even the Pixel. Slow down the video for me. Snapchat, the Pixel. And then we do have the browsers here, Chrome and Safari. All right, let's do a search for GSM Arena. Can I get it? Here it is. We'll click on the suggestion and we'll have a look. Oh, iPhone a little bit faster. The ad came up first on the S20. We'll scroll. It's not bad. I'm gonna pinch the zoom here. It's not bad on the iPhone. However, on the Pixel with its 90 Hz refresh, and I can't pinch the zoom. All right, we'll go ahead and scroll to the bottom here, and then we'll go to the desktop version. Missed touch on the iPhone. Nah, okay, so you can disregard this page. And then let's see, we'll click on something else. We'll click on this one. Ooh, very close. Maybe the iPhone by a little bit, but the differences really aren't that huge. We'll do pinch to zoom, and the iPhone's having issues. Look at that. Oh man, it's going crazy. Look at that. What is going on? And then the Pixel, nice and buttery smooth with its 90 Hz display. All right, overall, the browsers are usable on both phones. I mean, the screen is bigger on the 11 Pro Max, so obviously you'll see a little bit more content on this display, but the Pixel 5, it's not bad. All right, enough of that. Let's go ahead and take a look at the RAM management on both phones. Everything in the background, so you can see. Now the Pixel this year does have 6 GB of RAM now, so we'll see how it handles the RAM management. This one, good to go. Twitter, same place. PUBG, good to go on both phones. And then this one, whoops. And this, it's still loading. Finally, there it goes. And what is this? Some sort of ad? All right, get rid of that and you can continue playing. All right, Angry Birds 2, good to go on both. And then we do have the Subway Surf, of course. Ready to resume on both. 3, 2, 1, and you can continue playing. Very nice. Get rid of that. Temple Run 2. And again on both phones, ready to resume. You can continue playing. Not a problem. Mario Run. Mario Time on both. eBay, same place. Amazon, same place. Play Store, App Store, same exact place on both. Calculator, same place again. Wow, I'm impressed by the Pixel. Clock, still running the stopwatch, very nice. Camera, okay, a little bit faster on the iPhone on that one. Messages, good to go on both. And of course, the phone app, boom. So let me know in the comments below what you thought about this matchup. Thanks for watching. Peace out.